Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave Forecast.com chart of the day. My name is Henry Lau, and today we will be looking at Alibaba. This is stock traded in the US market, and symbol BABA, 30 minutes chart, so it's a short-term path. We can see over here. Alright, so based on the chart, we are calling this rally to 159 as a wave 3, and then this pullback here to $150 is ended the wave 4. So that means that the stock now, as far as it stays above 150, can continue higher in the next coming few days to end the wave 5 in the black to the upside. Now we need to be aware of a couple of things here in the Alibaba to really understand where we are in the bigger picture is absolutely important, okay, before we place any trade. So for this view to gain more credibility, in fact we need to break above the wave 3, right? Because unless we do get a break above wave 3, technically we can continue to drop lower from here to do a double correction in the wave 4, or even do something else. And that's why we need to be we need to understand the slightly higher degree outlook of the Alibaba. Okay, so now this is the 1 hour 30 minutes chart. Let me upgrade to the 4 hour. Now I don't show all the count, but if you want to see the full count, you can go to the member area. We have a 14 days free trial, but you can see that this 3 and 4 is over here, right? And so that means that we need to have a 1 and 2 from somewhere else, and that means this is your 1 and 2, and this is the low, the starting point of what we think is a 5 ways up, right? So we got 1 2, and it looks to be extended, right? 3 4, and then we are looking for a possibility of another leg higher. Now again, for this leg to be really confirmed, we do need to break above wave 3, right? Otherwise we can do a double correction like this the wave 4 before higher, and even worse, we can even do something like this, and then that ends your wave 5. But still, even if this is the case, then after this pullback, since you got a 5 ways up, still has a potential to extend higher again, as far as, of course, this December low doesn't break, right? So we got a lot of different possibilities here. So it's either we do a double if we don't get a break above wave 3, or we ended the 5 waves already here and correct these 5 waves before the next leg higher, or another possibility is the fact that if you look at the daily, you can see that the sell-off in the Alibaba starts from June the 5th 2018 peak, and technically I see a lower low sequence here. So you got a marginal low here, all right? So technically in trading, because you got this marginal low, technically the right side remains to be to the downside as far as staying up below here right? Technically that's what it is, but this rally here seems to suggest possibility of a flat, because it's a marginal low. This could be an expanded flat ABC, and that's why you see a 5 waves here, right? Because in a flat you got a 3 3 5 structure, so you got marginal low, so you can get AB, and then now we are doing a 5 waves. So in the worst case situation, in the worst case scenario, Alibaba could have ended like this, all your 5 waves, and then ended this flat. It's a running flat, right? This is a running flat. It looks like this. Running flat is when the C leg does not go above the A leg, right? So it can do a running flat, ending a 5 waves, and then starts to turn lower again. Another possibility is these 5 waves is ending only in the with 1 of C, and then you cut it with 2 of C, with 3 of C, with 4 of C, with 5 of C, to end this entire flat A, B, C, and then go lower from here. But the idea here, based on the daily, is that as long as the June 5th, 2018 holds, in fact, we could see more downside due to the lower low sequence from here. Okay. Now the only question is in the shorter cycle here, what exactly is the stock doing? Now there are, like I said, a couple of different possibilities, but for now, at least from what we are calling the primary view for now, is calling for a possibility of wave 5 to the upside one more time. But remember, it needs to break above wave 3 in order for that to really get confirmed, right? Otherwise, we can do again wave 4 double before doing wave 5, or we can do a full 5 waves, right? This ending with 1. So you downgrade this label into 1 lower degree than this, but you can be doing this and do 3, 4, 5 again to end a flat that starts from here, A, B, and then you got the C leg is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 before you end the flat, or you got a running flat, you got an A, B, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then you end the C here, and then if that's the case, we can do this. Okay, so keep in mind, for this to really kind of get confirmed, it needs to break above this wave 3 right now. Alright, so hope this helps, and for further updates, you can always check us in the latest member area for the latest update of the chart. So see you guys again next time.